How to use content aware feature on your photopea.com. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. Now first of all, as you have seen that there is a picture on my desktop. As I stretch it from here, you will be able to see that the person is now stretched and I cannot work with that person anymore. Now if I want to do it without changing this person's any qualification, then I have to do is make sure that I go to edit option, and then there is an option of content aware scale. Sometimes it's not working, sometimes it's working. I have to click on content aware scale, and then I have to click on the side that I want to stretch, and then I have to drag that side, and now the person will not be elongated, or the object will not be subject will not be changed, or the object will also not be changed. And this is how you can work with content aware feature. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit like button. Thank you.